This is a last topic, visualizing solid shapes. Before we start with solid shapes, let us recall related to 2D figures, two-dimensional figures. They are also called as plane figures. They will be having only two dimensions like length and breadth. For example, square, circle, triangle, and all the quadrilaterals, polygons, they are all two-dimensional figures. Coming to solid figures, they have three dimensions like length, breadth, and height. They are also called as 3D. For example, cone, sphere, cube, cylinder, prism, pyramid. These are all the examples of solid figures. Here there is a view of a 3D shape. A three-dimensional object can look different from different positions, and we can view these from different perspectives. Front view, top view, side view will be different in different figures. Here you can see there's an object, their front view, top view, and side views are given. Likewise, if I consider some figure, you can see here the side view will be like this. This is the front view. This is the top view. When a solid is made up of several cubes, here four cubes are there, they are arranged in this manner. This particular face will be the top view, isn't it? Let me mention that this is top view. This particular thing is this side view. From the side, it looks like three cubes. This one is the front view. For this is the top view, this is the front view, and this is side view. So like this, we can identify if this is the given figure. On the top, you can see there are two dots. On the front, there are three dots. On the side, there is one dot. So front, side, and top view will be like this. Apart from this, in this chapter, you also have something called as mapping space around us. A map shows the location of particular thing with respect to other. Some important points related to the map. The first point is to represent different objects or places, different symbols are used. A map represents everything proportional to their actual size, not on the basis of perspective. It means that the size of the object will remain the same irrespective of the observer's viewpoint. A particular scale is used to draw a map so that the lengths drawn are proportional with respect to the size of the original figure. You have come across atlas. In the atlas, when you look at the maps, it's not the actual map, it's only scaling done. You must have seen 1 centimeter equal to so many kilometers mentioned. And you also see some triangles are used, some symbols are used to represent mountain, to represent mineral, to represent the type of crop they grow. Here, there is an example. You can see different places here, and the roads are mentioned. When we solve exercise question related to this, we'll understand much better. Now moving on further, for a solid figure, we should identify the faces, edges, and vertices. What does faces means? Faces means it's a flat surface of a 3D shape. It is made up of plane figures. When we look at the faces of cube, there will be 6 faces. Next is edges. The line segments which make the structure of solid shapes are called edges. For this particular figure, how many edges are there? There are
8 edges, sir.
12.
12
12, sir.
edges. Edges means these are the ends of these faces. For one
Yeah,
particular
yes, sir.
face, there
Yes,
are
sir.
4 edges. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus this and this considered 10 plus these two opposite faces 12. There will be 12 edges when we take the solid, and when we count it, we will come to know easily that there are 12 edges. These corners are called as vertices,
Vertices.
and there are 8 vertices for this figure.
Yes,
So
sir. 8 vertices.
8 vertices are there, 12 edges are there, and 6 faces are there.
Yes.
There is a new concept for you. It's called as polyhedron. We have learned polygon, isn't it? Polygon means a plane figure
2D.
having many faces,
2D.
many sides. If I
Yes, sir.
consider a simple polygon, it's a triangle. Triangle is the smallest polygon. The next polygon is a quadrilateral. Next polygon is called as
Oh, yes, sir.
pentagon.
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 These are all polygons. Now, what is this
Hexagon.
polyhedron? Polyhedron is different from this polygon. Polygon is a two-dimensional one. It's a plane figure. Polyhedron is a 3D shape. It is made up of many polygons. Here you can see there's a tetrahedron. Tetra refers to 4. Tetrahedron will be having 4 triangular face. Here you can see this is a base. Let me color with this sky blue color. That is one. This is second. This is third. And one more is there towards this side. So totally there are 4 triangles. Next is a cube. Next is octahedron here. So these are the polyhedrons. Polyhedrons means a 3D figure made up of many polygons. These are non-polyhedrons, means it is not made up of polygons. Cylinder, cone, sphere, torus, these are all non-polyhedrons. As we have learned, convex polygon, concave polygon. Similarly, we have convex polyhedron. Convex polyhedron is made up of line segments and the vertices, and it makes a polygon which will not go inside. It is not inverted. It is not bent in. It is bulged out. Such type of polygons are called as convex polyhedron. Here you can see these are concave polyhedron. Some of the faces are towards inside. They are bent in. Then we have a concept of regular polyhedron. We know the meaning of regular polygon. Regular polygon will be having all its faces or sides equal in length and all the angles are equal. Likewise, we have a regular polyhedron. For a regular polyhedron, its faces will be congruent to each other and the angle at the corners they are equal to each other. This one is a polyhedron which is not regular because you can see the base here. The base is
Irregular,
having
sir. Irregular.
a square base. It's a square based pyramid. The lateral faces are triangles. So if you count the number of triangles here, there are 4 triangles and one base. Totally five faces are there. This particular figure is non-regular because one is a square, other 4 are triangles. Next we have prism. This you must have seen in physics lab or in
Yes,
any
sir.
class you must have come across this. One is a triangular prism, other is a rectangular prism. This rectangular prism is also same as cuboid. Cuboid and rectangular prism are one and the same.
Glass slab.
Yeah, glass slab. Correct, sir. Where you have come across this concept?
Physics, sir. Light chapter.
There is something called as a refraction in this concept.
Yes, sir.
You have learned
Yes,
this.
sir.
It's a glass slab.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You can see the number of faces for this triangular prism. How many faces it has? 2 bases are there and 3
Sir.
lateral faces are rectangles. So totally 5 faces are there.
Yes, sir.
How about the vertices? This is 1, 2,
6.
6 vertices.
4,
6
5,
vertices.
6. 6 vertices are there. And how about the edges?
9, sir.
9, sir.
9 edges
Nine,
are
sir.
there. For this glass prism, for a rectangular prism, how many faces are there? There are
6 faces, sir.
6
Six,
faces.
6
faces. 6
How
faces,
about
sir.
the edges?
So 12 vertices.
12 edges
Edges.
and 8 vertices.
Yes,
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. These are a special shape. They are called as pyramid. Pyramid will be having all the faces meeting at one point. This point is called as apex. Here you count the number of faces.
5.
There are 5 faces.
5, sir. Yes, sir.
How about vertices?
5.
How many vertices
Five.
are there? 5
Sir, five.
vertices are there. What about edges?
8.
2, 3, 4.
8, sir.
4 plus 4.
8.
8. 8 edges are there. What about a hexagonal pyramid?
7
7.
faces.
7 faces.
7 faces.
Yes, sir.
How many
7
vertices?
vertices. 7
7
vertices.
7
vertices.
vertices.
And how many
12
edges?
7
edges.
edges.
12 edges.
Edges.
7 edges.
You can look at the name of these figures. One is a rectangular pyramid, other is a hexagonal pyramid. Why it is called as a rectangular and hexagonal pyramids?
Because its
So
base
because their
is
bases,
rectangle, sir, and its base is hexagon, sir.
Yes.
Depends on base.
When the base is triangular, we say triangular pyramid. If the base is a rectangle, rectangular pyramid. If it is a parallelogram, parallelogram based pyramid. If it is a pentagon, pentagonal pyramid. Likewise, with respect to the base, the names of the pyramids are given. Same way, in the previous slide, you can see here, base is triangle, so it is called as triangular based prism. Same way, we can have a pentagonal based prism also. For that,
Sir,
bases
here
are to be
square is this prism has square also, no sir. If we keep like this, square will become base, no?
correct.
Means
But always we consider base as the one which is parallel to its opposite side. If you observe this, this face and this face, they are parallel, and also the angle will be 90 degree. They are called as right. We use the word right. A right pentagonal based prism. This is the name given. If it is not making 90 degree, it is called as an oblique pentagonal based prism. Okay, moving further,
Yes, sir.
yes sir.
there is something called as Euler's formula. This formula will give a relationship between the edges, faces, and vertices. The sum of the number of faces plus the number of vertices minus the
Minus
number of edges always will be 2. In some of the books, you can also find the relation like f plus b is equal to e plus 2. Both are one and the same.
yes sir. Minus see they took this side transposed and made it plus.
Here you can see in the previous slide, I have mentioned the number of faces, edges, and vertices. If you see 5 plus 5, this will be equal to 8 plus 2. Number of
Yes, sir.
faces plus vertices will be equal to number of edges plus 2.
It plus 2.
Same way, here you can see 7 plus 7 minus 12 is 2. F plus V plus minus E will be equal to 2. This Euler's formula is applicable only for polyhedron. It is not applicable for non-polyhedrons like this one. It is not applicable here. Why it is not applicable for these figures? For cylinder, why it is not applicable?
Sir, we count circle as
Edges,
one side. So, sir,
edges.
circle is not one side, sir.
Can we find the vertices here?
No sir.
Cylinder, we can't find the
Yes, sir.
vertices. Can we find the edges?
No sir.
No, sir.
We cannot find the
Two
edges.
edges.
Can we find the faces here? Yes, we can
Yes sir.
find the
Faces.
face. There
Sir,
are
sir.
2 plus 1
Two faces.
3
curved.
face.
Curved face.
There is one curved surface also. For this case, if you are thinking that this is the vertex, where are the edges? We can't say that this will be the edge.
Yes sir.
So for a non-polyhedron, Euler's formula doesn't suit. It is applicable only for polyhedrons. Here there is a table which gives the number of faces, number of vertices, and number of edges. Some of them are prisms, some of them are pyramids. You can see the names given here: rectangular prism, triangular prism, pentagonal prism, hexagonal prism, and the pyramids are named square pyramid, triangular pyramid, pentagonal pyramid, hexagonal pyramid. Apart from this, you also must learn something called as net. Do we know the meaning of net?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is it?
Skeleton of a shape, sir.
We can get a 2D
If
formula,
we
sir.
open that shape,
Yes, sir.
if we open that polyhedron, we will get net.
Correct, sir. Here I am showing you something. What is this figure? I am rotating that.
Pyramid.
Triangular pyramid.
Triangular pyramid.
Now it's visible.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. How many faces it has?
4 faces, sir.
Five faces,
Four
sir.
faces. Four faces.
Four faces.
Five, sir.
No, yeah,
Four,
four.
sir.
I cannot number this.
Three
It's very difficult to number it. One. Other faces will be like this. 2, 3. This inside it is 4. Okay, sir. Suppose if I unfold this, you can see the number of triangles.
Five, sir.
No,
Four triangles.
4 triangles are there. So these 4 triangles are making a tetrahedron. It is called as a tetrahedron.
Yes, sir.
And these triangles, it forms a net. It is called as net.
Net.
When we join this net, we get a solid figure. When we open a solid figure, we get the net. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Let me show other figures also. Going eraser. Okay. I am taking a cube now.
Yes, sir. You.
Let me show by rotating the cube. You
Well,
can see here white color line here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These 3 lines visible. These lines are
Yes,
nothing
sir.
but, what are those lines?
Edges.
Edges.
Yes,
Edges.
sir.
These
Edges.
corners. This corner is
Yes,
called
sir.
as
Vertex.
vertex.
Vertices.
Corner is vertex.
What is this?
Suppose if I unfold this, I get
Faces.
squares. How many squares are there here?
Six square.
2,
Sir, 6 square.
4, 5, 6. So
Six,
6 squares
yes, sir.
together, it forms net of a cube.
Cube.
This is the net of a cube.
It's of a cube.
Now I am taking a octahedron. As the name suggests here, octa refers to 8.
Yes, sir.
It is formed by 8 triangles. Suppose if I open this, you can see. Let's count the number of triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Eight, sir. 8.
6, 7, 8.
Yes, sir.
There are 8 triangles.
Or
Now
eight
if
faces.
I take this decahedron, sorry, dodecahedron. Dodeca refers to 12. Let me open and show you. This has got 12. One there are in one there are
Pentagons
6.
are there.
In the other one there are 6. 12.
Pentagon. Yes, sir. Yes.
Let me take
Pentagons
this
are
one, icosahedron. These are the different names given.
icos.
Now if I open this icosahedron, count the number of triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4,
20, sir.
7, 8,
20, sir.
9,
20
10, 11,
triangles
12,
are present.
13,
sir.
14, 15, 16, 17,
20 triangles
18,
are present,
19,
sir.
20 triangles are present. This is called as
Yes, sir.
icosahedron.
Yes, sir. Icos are
Okay. Now I will show you other polyhedrons. This is other polyhedron. You see the top surface here. What is the shape of
Yes, sir.
this?
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
Hexagon, sir.
It's a
Hexagon, sir.
hexagonal based
Hexagon,
prism.
sir.
You
Hexagon.
can see the lateral surface. What is it made up
Yes,
of?
sir.
What is this
Rectangle.
lateral surface?
Rectangle, sir.
Rectangles.
Rectangle, sir.
These are all rectangles.
Yes, sir. A rectangle, sir.
Suppose if I unfold this,
Triangles
you
and
get
two
combination of hexagon as well as
Rectangle.
rectangle.
Two
How many
hexagon and
rectangles
six
are there? How many
rectangles.
hexagons are there? There are two
Six,
hexagons.
sir. Six rectangles and two
Six
hexagons.
rectangles.
Rectangles
So
and two
totally
hexagons.
8 faces will be there.
Yes, sir. 8 faces.
Okay, sir. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. I would
Sir.
like to show you pyramid. For this
Pyramid.
pyramid, if I unfold, you can see what is the shape? It's a hexagon.
Hexagon.
So six triangles and hexagons. Triangles are present.
7 faces.
When
One
this was
hexagon
when this was
and
like this,
hexagon.
it
Triangles are
becomes
present.
a top view, no? From the top,
Yes,
if you are
sir.
seeing, it is a hexagon. Suppose if I show you in this way, it is a
triangle.
side view.
Pyramid. Yes.
You can see the bottom. It's a hexagon.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Raghav
Triangle.
has it out. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
This is a net of a hexagonal based pyramid.
Pyramid.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Is there any doubt in this?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
You can
No.
see the website. You are able to see the website here.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
What is the
Math
name?
on police test.
Mathigon.org.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mathigo or
This is one of the beautiful website. It gives different concepts. Say for example, if I take this probability concept, if I take this, what is this? It's a dice. I'll select this. I will click on this randomize. So that
Cuba.
2
Yes, sir.
has come. Now once again, if I randomize, 6 has come. So what? How many numbers can be obtained at the maximum? 6 numbers can be obtained.
Yes, sir.
Yes. In that, what is the possibility that 3 is there?
1 by
There is
6.
only one possibility.
1 by 6.
So 1
1
upon
by
6. 1 upon
2. 2, sir. 1
1 by 6.
upon
6. Yeah.
1 by 6,
There are
sir.
totally
6,
6.
sir. 1 by 6.
You can get 6
Yes, sir.
options
1 by
here.
1 by 6.
So 1 upon 6. You know this?
Yes, sir. 1
What
upon
is this?
content.
It's a coin.
Contact.
It is for head and tail. If you consider this
Yes,
as
sir.
a tail, the other one is head.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Again.
You
yes, sir.
must have come
Yes, sir. It is 1 by
across
2.
this question also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Spinner.
Spinner.
What
Yes,
is the
sir.
probability that you will get a red color? There is one
Yes,
chance
1 by
out of
1 by
1 by
4.
1,
5.
2, 3, 4,
1 by
5.
5, sir.
5.
1 by 5.
Okay.
1 by 5, sir.
When I was
1 is to 5.
teaching you the cards, I have said that there are different types of cards.
Yes, sir. 2,
Correct,
3,
no?
4. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 5.
So
We
totally how
have
many
not
cards
given
are
the
there?
names, sir.
Totally how many cards are there? 52 cards will be there.
52.
Yes, sir.
These are called as
52
numbered card. These are called as face card.
3 numbered card. 3 numbered card.
And this is ace.
Queen, sir. Queen it is.
Okay, sir. So this
Yes, sir.
concept also you can get here. Apart from that, you have something called as
Graph.
charts.
Graph.
This is a line graph.
Graph. Yes,
This
sir.
one is a line graph.
Line graph.
The same data can be represented as a, what is this?
Bar.
Horizontal.
Bar graph.
Bar
This is
graph,
also
sir.
a bar graph. This you can
What
see
is it?
that there is a
Give me an
polygon
example.
formed. It is called as polygon, frequency polygon.
Yes, sir.
So different concepts can be obtained on this website. If you get time and if you are having internet facility, please see.
Nothing
Yes,
on
sir.
origin.
Okay.
Polypads. Yes, sir. Website.
This one is
Coordinate
Coordinate
system.
system.
Coordinate system.
Coordinate, sir. First coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, fourth coordinate.
Coordinate system is same as Cartesian plane, sir.
Cartesian system.
Okay. Let
Yes,
us
sir.
come back to visualizing solid shape.
Visualizing solid shapes.
Okay, sir. We'll come back to visualizing solid shape now.
Yeah.
Sir,
Okay, sir. This is exercise question. Very simple question. First one. You have to
10.10.
match.
Exercise 10.10.
Probably it's difficult to read from here. I'll read it for you. For each of the given solid, the two views are given. Match for each solid the corresponding top and front views. The first one is done for you. This is a bottle.
W.
This
Yes, sir.
particular thing is a side view. From the top, it looks like this. Now, second one
Yes,
is
sir.
weight. What will be the
Wait.
side view?
First one,
Sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
First one, sir.
Let me write it
Option
like
A
this.
is first
Option.
side.
For first one,
and
it is 3 followed by 4.
4.
For the
Yes, sir.
second, third,
One.
One
E,
C.
B first and fifth.
what will be the side view for the second one?
First option, sir.
First
First
one.
option.
No?
First
First option, sir. First
What,
option.
what about the
Side
top
view.
view?
Fifth,
Last.
fifth option,
Fifth
sir.
one, sir.
Correct, sir. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Third
Fifth
one is
option.
flask. How
4.
does a flask look like in the side?
4.
Fourth
It
side
is,
view is
Fourth
fourth
option,
one,
sir.
sir.
from
Fourth
the
option.
top,
And
how does it look
Second
like?
one.
It looks like
Second
second
one.
second option, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Second option.
D
Now
is a
coming
cup and
to the
saucer.
point.
Answer.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Is fifth one. A cup and saucer side view, it looks like this. From the top, it
Third
looks
one.
like this. Third one.
Third one.
Yes, sir. Third one.
Last
For
one is a
ink.
container. It's some ink pot like
Second one.
container.
Second option, sir. Side
Yes.
view.
Second option is side
Second
view.
option.
Top
How
view.
about the
First one.
top view? Option one.
First one.
One is the top view. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Option number 1 is A. Top view.
Second question is for each of the given solid, the three views are given. Identify for each solid the corresponding top, front,
Front.
and side views. This
Sir,
is
for
an
first
almirah.
one,
We need to
First one
identify which is this.
yes,
This is a front view.
front view, sir. Front view, sir.
This is
Side view.
side view.
Side view.
Side
This
view.
is the top view.
Top view.
Top view, sir. Top view.
This
Side
particular
view.
thing is a side
Side
view.
Side
view.
view. Side
This
view,
is a
Front
sir.
front
view.
view.
Front view, sir. Front view.
This
Top
is
view.
top view.
Top view, sir. It is.
For this
Top,
TV,
front view.
Front view.
front
Front
view,
view.
View, sir.
side view,
Side view.
top
Top
view.
Top
view.
view.
For
Top
this
view.
Front
car,
view.
Front view.
front view,
Front view.
Side
Side
view.
view. And top view. Top view.
Side view
this
and
is a
top view.
side view, no?
Yes, sir.
Side view,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Top,
Yes, sir.
top
Last
view.
one is top view. Last one is. Sir, why back view is not there?
back view is not there. It's not given. Front view is like back
Yes, sir.
view only.
It's
If
not
you are
given.
if you are seeing from the other end. Okay, sir. What a question here. Very good. Third one. For each
Top
given
view,
solid,
sir.
identify the top view, front view, and the side view.
Top view, sir.
This first one is a top
Top
view.
view.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
correct.
Top
You are
view.
correct. It is top view.
Side view and front view, sir. Others, sir.
This is front view.
Yes, sir. Continue, sir. Front and
This is side view. Both are
Side
same.
view.
Front and side views are
Yes,
same.
sir.
Yes, sir.
For this one,
Side view. Side
there
view.
are two boxes, right? So side view.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Side view.
This
Side
one
view.
is
Side view,
Front
front view,
view. Front view.
front
Front
view,
view. Front view.
and
front
this
view,
is a
and
top
it is
view.
the next one top view.
Top
This
view.
particular
Top view.
thing, top view,
Side view.
three boxes is side views. This one is a front view.
View. Front view.
Front view.
For this
Side
figure,
view. Side view.
side, front,
Front. Front
and
Front
view.
view,
Top view.
top view.
From this
Front
side,
view.
this is
Front
front
view.
view. It
Top
is
view.
like this.
Top view.
Top
It
view,
is
sir.
top view, correct, sir?
Side
Side
view.
view.
This is side view. Very simple question, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fourth question is to draw the front view, side view, and top view of these objects.
Yes, sir. Easy, sir.
Easy. So how
Yes,
does
sir.
a front view looks like? It looks like a triangle,
Triangle, sir.
Yes, sir.
Triangle.
correct?
Triangle.
Because they have given a arrow
Yes,
mark
sir.
here. It
Yes.
should be viewed from
Ah,
here.
sir.
What about the side view?
Parallelogram.
It looks like a
Parallelogram, sir.
parallelogram.
Yes, sir. Parallelogram.
Yes, sir.
Parallelogram.
You want me to draw that triangle?
Sir,
This is
rectangle.
front view.
Yes, sir. It will become straight, no,
Side.
sir. Means it should become rectangle.
Sir, if you put from
Actually,
front,
it
you look at
is slightly slant.
you look
Now.
at the
It
side
looks
view.
like a parallelogram.
Yes, sir.
What about the top view?
Sir,
So that
two
Rectangle, sir.
Rectangle.
It
rectangle.
looks something like this, I think.
To half.
Yes, sir.
I think it looks like this.
Line, sir. It is
Yes, sir.
line.
Isn't it? Okay. Other things you can try now. It's not that difficult.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. We can do it. Yes, sir. Sir, how
Yes.
side view will become parallelogram, sir?
How side view will become
Look from
parallelogram?
front,
It is
you look
They
at
have
lightly
parallelogram.
tilted
They have
and
given an
it is
arrow
on the
here.
viewer's point.
You have to see from here, isn't it? When you
Yes,
see
sir.
from here,
Rect-
it looks something like this only. Parallelogram. It looks like that, no?
Sir, we are seeing, means they have showed image from front. That's why we are. It is
Hmm.
looking like slightly bent. But if we see from side, it will become straight, no, sir.
Actually, it is something like this, no? It is something like this.
Sir, it is like this because we are seeing from front. They are
You see
showing
here?
image from front, no, sir.
You see here? I have taken the same
Sir,
part. See this?
not sir. If we see from side, then it will be different.
But they have
If
given
we
the
are seeing
arrow
at
here,
an
no?
angle at 90
They
degrees
have
from
given
the
the
ground.
arrow. We have to see from there. Correct? I think this is correct here. You just think over that.
Okay, sir.
Here in the next exercise, we have a question related to map. You have to answer this.
Yes, sir.
Color the map as follows: blue for the water, red fire station, orange library, yellow is for school, green for park, pink for college, purple for hospital, brown for cemetery. There are different places mentioned here. Accordingly, we have to put the color.
Sir, what is symmetry?
What is cemetery? I have to find out from the net. Somebody knows what is cemetery?
Yes.
Sir, grave.
Symmetry
Yes, sir,
means
dead body.
when we divide it into two or many parts, it should
Graveyard,
be
sir.
equal to the divided parts, sir.
Cemetery
Graveyard,
is
sir.
a graveyard. It's a burial ground. Yes. Somebody said it.
Top
Correct.
left.
It's a burial ground. There is another question here. The second one is to draw the map of your classroom using proper scale and symbol for different objects. Different objects means board, fan, tube light, something like that. This type of question will not be asked in the examination. However, you should know what is map and how mapping is done.
Yes, sir.
Third one is to
Sir, we
draw
should
the
draw a
your
map
school
of
compound.
top view of class.
Did they ask that? They did not ask, no? Symbol for different.
They asked us to draw a map of your classroom.
How to draw a map of the classroom? You can draw
Sir,
a
like
cuboid
blackboard and other windows, sir.
mentioning 1 centimeter equal to some feet. Probably your classroom is 15 feet tall, 20 feet wide, and 20 feet in length. So approximately, roughly you can draw. So better I
Sir,
skip
we
this
can make
question.
the outlines of map our classroom, sir.
Outline only they are asking.
We
Because you
can
cannot
draw
make it
top view
3D.
of our class.
Don't make it 3D one. You can make a 2-dimensional figure.
We can draw top view of our class.
Yes, sir. You can draw top view of your class. It looks like a rectangle or more square.
Square, sir.
Rectangles, sir.
If
20
you
feet, 20
if you
feet.
see from
Right,
this
it
side,
cannot be
no,
counted.
there are two classrooms which are wider enough. It looks like a proper rectangle. Other classrooms, it looks like a square. Okay, this is our exercise 10.3. Can a polyhedron have for its faces 3 triangles? Can we have a polyhedron with 3 faces?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No,
Are
sir.
you sure that you cannot have?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
sure.
Because
Yes, you cannot have because polyhedron must have edges meeting at the vertex, which which are the points. Here, when you consider only 3 triangles, the other face will be open. Totally 4 triangles are required to make a tetrahedron. We
base
have
will
seen
become
tetrahedron,
open, sir.
isn't it? 4 triangles, it's possible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is
Yes, sir.
possible.
Triangular.
Yes, sir.
What about a
Four
square
triangles.
and 4 triangles? That is also
Yes,
possible.
Yes.
sir.
Possible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Possible,
It is
sir.
also possible, sir.
I have shown in
Square
one of the
pyramid. One number.
Square based pyramid.
yes, I have shown that square based pyramid as well as tetrahedron. So
Sir,
which one is
like
that possible?
in third one, sir. Third question, third one, sir.
Tetrahedron is
Third
smallest
question is
polyhedron, sir.
something like this here. It's a square. Here, one point you have to choose and you have to join this.
Four triangles and one square, sir.
It's a square based
Pyramid.
Okay, let us discuss some questions which are left out, as well as I have selected few questions from NCERT exemplar. Around 21 objective type questions are there. Let us do this on New Year Day. All right. After this syllabus is complete, what shall I do after this syllabus completion?
Sir, you do revision, sir.
Sir, practicing some hard
Revision
sums,
from
sir.
which chapter?
Yes, sir.
Sir, test.
Tests
Factorization.
and practicing harder sums.
Sir, test in Google form.
For practice, I will give some questions. Apart from
Yes, sir.
that, some concepts also we have to discuss. Since in the
Yes,
beginning
sir.
there were no WebEx classes, live classes were not there. I prefer those concepts to be taught now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no?
Yes.
Sir, I have a
Yes.
question, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir,
I have a
let's
question.
revise one more time factorization, sir.
Factorization. Yes, sir. Definitely.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Factorization I will take.
And linear equations in one variable, sir.
Yeah, that
Yes, sir.
also. So let us begin with the factorization of this
handling, sir.
completion.
Data
Yes, sir.
handling. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
I'll take
I have
factorization.
questions, sir.
I'll try to give some questions which are really difficult, so that
Sir, after
in
that,
main
can we
class
also
becomes
revise the
easy.
concepts of
Hmm.
comparing quantities, compound
Okay, no
interest?
problem. Comparing quantities after that we can take. On
Data handling.
priority, some topics are there that are most important, like
Data handling, sir.
factorization, comparing quantity. Data handling is easier, that we can see
Yes,
at
sir.
home.
Data handling, nothing is there.
and linear equation. These three are little difficult. Let's take this first. After that, we will think of data handling. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
I have one question, sir.
Sir, till that we will come to school.
Sir, I have one question.